I don't have time to get in shape is probably the most common excuse I hear from guys out there. But what if I told you you can make a transformation exactly like this in just 4 hours a week? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve that. Look, I get that you have a career, maybe even kids, and countless other responsibilities. So the idea of spending hours in the gym every day just isn't realistic, but you don't have to do that. Most guys waste so much time in the gym scrolling on their phone between sets, trying to do 19 different variations of bicep curls, and turning up to the gym with no plan. I used to be exactly like that. I would turn up to the gym with no plan and do what I felt like on the day. I'd spend 2 or even 2.5 hours, 6 days a week there, and I made barely any progress. When I flipped the script and I started going for an hour, 4 times a week with an actual plan, guess what? I saw 10 times the results. I didn't spend half the time there. What I'm about to show you is exactly how I transform my own body, but how I transform many of my clients' bodies, just like Jay, who lost 40 pounds in 180 days with this blueprint. This will put you close to, if not in the top 1% of men physically, in just 4 hours a week. So if you're one of those guys who always says they're too busy or they just don't have time to get in shape, this video is going to leave you with absolutely no excuse to transform your body and your life. By the way, if you want to work with me directly, so in the next 120 days you can completely transform both your body and your life, book a call with me using the first link in the description. With that being said, let's get into the first part of the video, which is training. I can't even count how many guys I've spoken to who have said to me they don't have time for the gym. But whenever I dig a little deeper, it turns out they thought they need to be doing 2-hour sessions 6 times a week to see any kind of results. The truth is, all you have to do is train with intent 4 times a week for 1 hour, and you will build a great body. The first and most important aspect of training that you need to understand is progressive overload, which in simple terms means gradually increasing the load on your muscles over time. Even more simply, it means lifting more weight or doing more reps gradually over time. The reason your muscles grow is because they can just about handle the stress that you're putting on them in the gym, meaning they have to adapt to better handle that stress next time. So it's important to apply more load every single session. Otherwise, your muscles have absolutely no reason to grow. An important thing to note though is you can't just continuously do more reps though. Once you go above 12 reps, you cross into muscular endurance territory, so you're basically just doing cardio at that point. In terms of what exercises you should be doing, well, you have a limited time in the gym, so you're going to want to mainly focus on compound exercises which are hitting multiple muscles at once. As well as that, you should be hitting each of your major muscle groups with a minimum of 12 sets per week. That's what you should aim for. That means that you should hit your quads, hamstrings, chest, delts, and back with 12 sets at minimum per week each. And then you also need to be hitting your smaller muscle groups like biceps, triceps, and calves with 6 sets per week. The best way to do that, especially if you're busy, is to follow an upper-lower split where you hit your upper body twice per week and then your lower body twice per week. Most people, when I first tell them that, they look at me strangely and think, really? That's all I have to do? But what you need to understand again is that intensity and actually pushing yourself in the gym is going to get you way more results than just pure volume. Let's say you do 24 sets a week on your back, but you're not really pushing yourself. They're easy sets, you can kind of half-ass do them, you can look around the gym whilst doing them, maybe look at a girl who's passing by, or see what that guy's looking at on his phone. Compared to doing 12 sets of high intensity where you're absolutely destroying yourself and you have to fully focus intently on what you're doing, you're going to see far more results from the latter. Time spent in the gym means absolutely nothing if you're not striving to get stronger and increase the intensity every single week. In terms of exact exercises you should be doing, I'm not going to list a bunch of them in this video, but what you should be aiming for is 70% compound movements and 30% isolation movements. If you did want some advice on specific exercises, feel free to hit me up on Instagram using the link in the description of this video and I'll be more than happy to help you out. For your rest time between sets, you should absolutely not be sitting on your ass for 3 to 4 minutes between each set. Do a maximum of 80 to 90 seconds rest. And look, treat every single set like it matters. You're not in the gym to fuck around, laze about, scroll on your phone, chat to some random guy. You are in there to train and grow your muscles. One of the biggest mistakes that I made when I first started going to the gym is that I would go there half-heartedly. I'd have no idea what I was really doing there. I would have a chat with some random people that I barely knew, scroll on my phone, take ridiculous rest periods between my sets, and I would make no progress. Literally no progress. Maybe like a pound of muscle in 6 months just because I was exercising. But when I switched my focus and I started going to the gym with a plan, I was specifically focused, I knew what I was doing and I was there to train, that's when I saw real results. And that's how I want you to approach the gym. Have that mental switch in your head where when you flip it and you go to the gym, you are there to train, you get in, you train, and you get out. If you stick to train like that for the next few months, I can guarantee you, you will look and feel better than you ever have before. Your chest will be popping, your shoulders will be wider, your arms will look crazy, and you'll be more confident than you ever thought you were able to be. Okay, now let's talk about the part that everyone hates, cardio. And I bet me just saying that word has made you cringe a bit. But the good news is I'm not going to tell you to spend an hour on the cross trainer every single day. The way I want you to think about cardio is simple. It's not something that you take time out of your day to do. It's something that you weave into your existing lifestyle and schedule. This is something that may shock you, but the only cardio I did to make my transformation and go from that to that was 10,000 steps a day. It's only recently that I've added more cardio, and that's mainly for health reasons. My point is, you can get very lean just by doing walking as your main form of cardio. And before you say to me, well, Aiden, I just don't have time to walk, blend it into your existing day. Walk parts of your commute. Those work calls that you take them whilst walking. And those 2 hours that you spend on your sofa at the end of every night doing a whole lot of nothing, go for an hour evening walk instead. Trust me, I too used to be the guy who didn't have time. Until one day, I remember this so vividly. It was the evening, it was like 8:30. I just put on Netflix and the thought popped into my head. I thought you didn't have any time to go for walks. And then right then and there, I said, you know what? Brain, you're right. Fuck it, I'm gonna go for a walk. And bear in mind that walk was only 15 minutes, but it was the catalyst that I needed to start walking every single evening. And now I do it every night, 45 minutes to an hour. And honestly, it's the favourite part of my day, and I get like 7k steps every single night just by doing that. And if you're someone who has kids, go for walks more often with them, take them to the park. I'm being serious right now. You do not want to end up one day, very soon, as the parent who can't even play with their kids without getting out of breath. To put it into perspective for you, depending on how much you weigh and your body composition, 10k steps a day is going to burn anywhere from 350 to 600 calories. That's the difference between staying fat and losing fat. You just need to change your mindset and ask yourself, how can I make movement a regular part of my day? That way it becomes so much easier, you don't have to think about it, and you're going to burn way more fat. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can do 15 minutes on the treadmill at the end of each workout on the highest incline level. That is going to burn an extra 200 calories or more, not to mention the heart health benefits you're going to get from it. Here's the thing, the guys that are lean and confident and looking good at 30, 40, 50, 60, and even 70, they aren't doing endless hours of intense cardio every single week. All they're doing is moving more than you. It's about small changes. Walk to the supermarket, walk wherever you can, do more chores around the house, dance, just move your body more. Just build the cardio into your day and it will make all the difference. Okay, now I'm going to touch on the most important part of this, and it's nutrition. You can get everything else right, but if you skip this step, you're going to stay exactly as you are or get even more fat. And you don't need to do some complicated, crazy meal plan with carb cycling, optimal protein timing for protein synthesis, and any of that. What you need to do is have a roster of go-to meals that take less than 15 minutes for you to whip up, that are one, going to hit your protein target, and two, keep you within your calorie deficit. For example, breakfast could be low-fat Greek yogurt with protein powder and berries. That's going to take you a maximum of 3 minutes. Lunch, a wrap with some chicken breast, low-fat cheese, some salad and some sauce, again 5 minutes. Dinner, lean protein like chicken, fish or steak. Bag of frozen veg and some microwave rice, throw some hot sauce on there, and you've got a nice tasting meal in 10 minutes or less. And that's just 3 examples. Look, the main reason that busy people get so fat and stay so fat is because they order takeaway, eat random stacks, and they don't track their calories. And I get that you don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. I don't have hours to spend in the kitchen either, but it takes you 20 to 30 minutes a day to make sure that all your meals are hitting your calorie target and hitting your protein target. You just have to be smart about it. Just focus on the stuff that matters. A protein target, which is hitting 1 gram of protein per pound of your desired body weight and being in a 500 to 1000 calorie deficit depending on your goals. And volume eat. Fill your stomach with foods that actually fill your stomach. Think lean proteins, vegetables, fruits and potatoes. That way you can eat way more food for way less calories and you're not going to end up overeating. I also want you to start becoming way more aware of what you're actually eating. And no, that doesn't mean you have to track every single calorie that you put in your body to a T. It just means start reading labels and start understanding what's actually in your food. How many calories in it? How much protein's in it? What are the other macros? That's how you get lean and stay lean for life. When I started doing that, it completely changed my life. I still remember the day that I looked up how much a Domino's dip had, how many calories was in it, 700 calories. That's not the pizza, that's the dip. So you can imagine the amount of grotesque calorie figures that you see out there with other foods. So look, it's really that simple if you want a top 1% body, and it takes 4 hours a week. I promise you, if you follow this even just for the next 30 days, you will feel, look, and be a completely different man. If you do want to fast track this and you want to work with me directly on a one-to-one basis, you can click the first link in the description and book a call with me so we can plan out your 120-day transformation. Other than that, I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.